So you can see we're going to soak them on this side, flip them over, we're going to soak them on the other side to replicate if we're super sweaty or you leave them out in the rain. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the ACREO True Wireless Open Earbuds. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key features and tech specs for these earbuds. So they support wireless charging, they're Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 rated for their waterproofing. They take 1.5 hours to charge and we get 6 hours of battery life, 18 hours of battery life with the included charging case. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual right here walking us through everything we need to know about our earbuds and how to quickly set them up. On the back side, we have all of our different control options and we have our factory reset instructions. Then you can see a helpful chart right here walking us through the Bluetooth indicator lights and voice prompts. And then we have some tech specs. So 1.5 hours to fully charge the lithium-ion batteries, 10-meter range, Bluetooth 5.2. Next, we have a nice storage baggie right here with their logo and branding on it. Really nice, high-quality storage bag. Then you can see we have our USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And lastly, we have the earbuds in their charging case. Let's go ahead, let's look at this in more detail. So here are the earbuds up close. Check out the charging case right here. We got their logo and branding up at the top, our indicator lights off to the side. You can see the left and the right sides. Here's the back side with our USB Type-C charging port. And then you can see in the very bottom, we have our wireless charging indicator. If we want to use this with a wireless charger, we can. Now we can go ahead, we can open it up to reveal the earbuds. Ooh, they look really nice in here. So let's go ahead, let's take them out of the case. And the case is clearly marked left and right for us. So you can see we have our left right there, our right there, our charging contacts, our model information right at the top of the case. And there's our indicator lights lit up. But you can see the earbuds right here. They're identical to each other. Obviously, one's going to go in your left ear, one's going to go in your right ear. We got their logo and branding, a nice ear hook to keep it in place. You can see our pairing lights right there, our control button. Check it out though. Again, look at this design, right? They're not going to go in your ear. So how cool is that? So you can see how that's going to look. But that's the earbuds up close. Now let's go ahead and try them out. All right, so check it out. You can see I have the earbuds on right here and they fit great. Very simple, guys. They just hook right on top of your ear. And again, with that open design, they're not actually in your ear canal. So they just rest right on your ear. So if you're a runner or you're working out or you're just worried about always having your earbuds fall out, you can see thanks to that design, I can really shake my head. They're not going to budge at all thanks to those nice hooks that go right around our ears. Now with that open earbud style, these are going to be great if you're trying to be aware of your surroundings, right? Since they're not actually in your ear canal, they're not going to give you any passive noise cancellation. So just keep that in mind if you are in a noisy environment all the time and you don't want to be listening to the surrounding, then these are not going to be the earbuds for you. But if you're a runner and you want to have something that's not going to fall off your ear and still allow you to hear traffic, that sort of thing, these are going to be earbuds you definitely want to check out. I've also covered a lot of bone conduction earbuds as well. That's really cool tech, but those rest outside of your ears and they just don't sound as good as traditional earbuds. So this is a great compromise, having your traditional style and sound listening through your ear, but they're just not actually in your ear. Now let's go ahead, let's talk about Bluetooth. So you can see they're connected on our device right here. Very simple. They just show up. You can see that it's the first item we're connected to. You're going to pair it to your device and you're all set and ready to go. Now let's go ahead, let's give them a listen. So now you can see we have the earbuds set up with our binaural microphone to sample the audio like you were here in the studio with me listening. So first up, we're going to play the song Shoot for the Moon. This is a hip hop beat by Music Chef. We're going to listen to it for a couple of seconds so you guys can hear how everything sounds coming out of these open earbuds. Now we're going to play a couple of seconds of the song Claim Your Victory by Music Chef. Now we're going to play a couple of seconds of the song Backseat Broken by Music Chef, and instead of a hip-hop beat, this is going to be a lo-fi, chill, relaxing beat, so you guys can hear how they sound with this style of music. And lastly, we're going to sample a couple of seconds of the song Coffee House Crush by Music Chef. So now let's talk about how these earbuds sound. The first thing I want to say is this is super subjective. It can range song to song, genre to genre. It can range ear to ear, person to person, that sort of thing. So for me in particular, having sampled probably 50 or so earbuds, I'll say overall, the listening experience with these earbuds is very unique due to that open design. That's going to be the reason why you're buying these earbuds, is because that is what you're after. Sound quality wise, for me personally, this feels a little flat. That's the best way I can describe it, especially when you're listening to pop songs and current hits from the radio. This is just going to fall a little bit flat, probably what you're used to listening to. But if you're not an audiophile and you're just buying these because you want something to listen to, your favorite podcast, your favorite radio show, your favorite song while you're working out, going on a run, that sort of thing, these will be just fine for you. Again, they're not going to deliver an exceptional experience, but you're after open earbuds that sound good enough. That is where I feel like these currently stand. Now you're listening to the raw mic audio of our ACREO OpenBuds. This is how everything's going to sound to you. This is unedited raw audio using the built-in microphones coming out of our earbuds. This is how everything's going to sound as we kind of make a little bit of background noise. We're going to cover both ears and continue to talk. I'm going to remove one of my hands and we're going to continue to talk, and we're going to swap and do the other side as well. We're going to touch our earbuds while we're wearing them and speaking, and this is going to be your raw mic audio sample test. Now it's time to put these earbuds through the test. So these can survive splashes of water, whether it be rain or sweat. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to spray them down right here to see if they truly are IPX7 rated. Let's get them wet. So you can see we're going to soak them on this side, flip them over, we're going to soak them on the other side to replicate if we're super sweaty or you leave them out in the rain, what's going to happen to the earbuds. So you can see they're dripping wet, they're soaked. All right, I can hear the sound out of both. Now let's go ahead, let's dry them off. All right, the earbuds have successfully been dried off and they're still working great. So these can survive splashes of water. Just remember, don't submerge these in water. So now let me share with you my final thoughts after using these earbuds. The first thing I want to say is it's great that companies are still innovating today and making new products, especially within a saturated space like wireless earbuds. Now, these particular earbuds are definitely made for a certain group of people, somebody that's living an active lifestyle, that's a runner, that wants to be able to listen to their environment and also listen to their music podcasts, that sort of thing. So if that's you and you're in the market for earbuds like that, there's multiple options out there in the market. Typically they cost more than these because they're using the built-in microphones and you just tweak a little setting and then it can listen to the environment for you. Whereas these forego that technology, they've redesigned them completely so they don't actually fit in your ear, and that's how you're still able to listen to what's going on around you. So I think it's really cool and really clever. They also give you what I'd call standard and hopefully expected features today, like USB Type-C, and we have wireless charging. Obviously, they're Bluetooth 5.0, which is great as well for your wireless listening experience. In case you're wondering, that is backwards compatible with other versions of Bluetooth. So as long as you have a Bluetooth device, you'll be able to listen to these. Now, what do I want to see going forward? I think the biggest thing I'd like to see tweaked with these is maybe add a mobile app where we can also tweak and change the EQ setting, maybe put some different presets in depending on maybe the style or genre of music we're listening to. But I do understand that would most likely increase the price point. So there's definitely a give and take there. But overall, if you're looking for open earbuds and you don't want to use bone conduction, or you're on a tight budget, you don't want to buy premium earbuds, you definitely should check these out. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.